Can you explain your journey till here? You're at 65, you are getting transformed your life, you're changing your complete
I'm
perspective.
61.
61.
Yeah.
Yeah, above 60.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So you are above 60.
Yeah.
So above 60, we always take much precaution.
Yeah.
So we screen your heart, we screen
Yes.
your MRI, we
Then
screen
we'll
your
take a
chest,
look. Yeah.
we screen your all the Dopplers of
Yes.
neck. See,
Yeah.
you are very fit and
Yeah.
you are now ready to live another
Yeah.
half of your life.
I'm really looking forward to come back next year and do the other half of it.
How was your OT experience? Was it like very
It was beautiful. You feel, I saw the stars in the sky. Those lights were like stars. It was so advanced technology. I mean,
Yeah, OT is our the heart.
that's the heart of the
Yeah,
hospital.
hospital.
Yeah, it's the heart of the hospital. And it was so nice and to see all the doctors, different type of doctors. He is on duty there during that time. Everybody is called.
It is Purple Heron standing on one foot
Yeah.
to serve people
Yes.
anytime
Yeah.
and full affection and
Yes.
full dedication.
How was your post-op journey? Was it smooth? Was everybody taking care of you?
Yeah.
Was it in the ways that you should any patient going for the transplantation?
Yeah.
They require mental support. They require support of the treating doctors and the
No,
staff. the paramedics.
yeah, it's
So was it support?
it's coming automatically. It comes automatically. Even the nurses, they come and check you. Even the doctors who are on call, they come. Though they know what I've taken, they will go to the counter reception and they will check to make sure what are the medicines, what is the food. It's in each person has their own responsibility, and that's what I appreciate in that.
Was your surgery painful or the recovery?
No. I feel the ticklish of it. That's it. Nothing at all. You saw, I was fresh, like I've never gone for a. So next year I'm coming same time
Okay.
for the bottom part.
Yeah.
So is that we can talk about it now or then?
We can
Yeah.
provide this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very important.
I need to do a hair transplant. That
Yeah,
also.
that will be done in the same.
Yeah, I want to do. My brother wants to do it also.
Even the brigadiers, even our OPD in charge, our
Mm.
nursing in charge,
Mm.
all are very happy. Joint
Yeah.
patient is happy. They are interacting with you,
Yeah.
they are giving reviews.
So
Pleasure having you as well.
yeah.
And
My God, I just want to hug your name. I just want to hug you. Really.
just take care of yourself.
Oh yeah.
Just know that you have your family here as well.
Yes.
So, the legal team will get in line with you.
Yeah.
And we have a team, an entire team who looks
Mm.
into every detection
Legal.
of what our patients require.
Yeah.
So our endocrinologist will be working with you to
Yeah.
look for your hormone replacement.
Mm.
Our psychiatrist and psychologist will be working with you
Mm.
for mental support.
Mm.
And you will have our legal team back up.
Legal. See, the thing now I have to change my gender.
Yeah.
Secretary is thinking that if you shifted to UK, I think you are planning.
I cannot go to UK unless I change my gender on my passport.
So
Okay.
he's coming back here. So what happens is, since you're a Portuguese
Nationality.
nationality, before doing your bottom surgery,
Yeah.
you will be requiring a referral from Portugal.
And also we will start the hormone also. And it is very good that you are undergoing hormone, you already done one surgery. You,
So reference from Portugal.
I think so.
But how I have to write a letter to them how it is.
we will guide
See,
you
like
all.
this, they will not say.
Just
Mm.
we are going to guide you. Please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I can't. Still, I cannot believe what I did. And I brought some sweets for all the staff, which we have on the first
We get
floor.
a good picture.
Yeah.
With all
With
staff.
everybody, all
Yeah.
the stuff. Okay, this will help, because I'm so happy. This is something which I wanted all my life, and God sent you all here.
We are so glad that we.
No, really. You are helping so many people. You can help like this, so talented and so young, talented. I'm so old. I think you're younger to me, right?
Probably not.
Of course, younger, yeah. So, and this good friend, he's very helpful, Mr. Gaurav.
Multiple
One-
person.
He's 20, I call him 24/7. Always smiling face, very this. Yeah. So I love it. I'm just waiting, even in Goa, to show my Shamin, who's in the UK, in Canada, and and show her what has
So
happened.
let us know for anything you would need in this journey or any support in terms
Yeah.
of legal.
Yeah, legal only main thing.
We
Legal.
will-
Yeah.
We'll get you the legal support as well, the documents required, and also
Yeah.
whatsoever.
Mhm.
And apart from it, the endocrinologist and the psychiatrist will be constantly present.
In prison.
Yeah, guiding you through.
It's not a dream, no?
No, it is
It's
not.
not. I just can't.
Yes,
No, the thing is, I made the alone. I made the decision, and I played my cards well. Looking everywhere, Bombay said, "Come here," and I was not satisfied. The minute I spoke to Jyoti did a wonderful job. She's the front face of your
Yeah.
hospital. Wonderful girl. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. She has that, hats off to her. She has approached us very nicely, the way she's this and fine, and gives the exact this details what I wanted. I was confused. Then I started looking. I was more inspired. And I say, "You're going to Jaipur." Everybody, "Going to Jaipur? What the hell? Sightseeing." I cannot tell
Do
everybody.
you feel that the technology that you had experienced was at par to what you see in US or UK? Because we have tried to create a system that is at par to them.
Okay.
In terms of
I don't know what's like in USA. I'm comparing in Kuwait. It's rubbish thing. You don't feel demotivated. Everybody is in that. This here it's nice. You go in, everybody, the staff. See, this is you're like a family here. Everybody is playing their part. This is very important.
Yeah.
All the stuff, you never see any staff who's clumsy or something. They're all having. This is so important. So each and every one was doing the part of the role. Hats off to them. Yeah.
एक फेस पे है बबीता जी से क्यू स्विच कराओ है ना
So-
वन क्यू स्विच
Yeah.
लेजर
Yeah, this also.
एक साथ तो नहीं होगा पर काफी हद तक कर देते हैं ये तो हटेंगे
we do a few lasers also.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to
We have to come again?
Once we remove these,
Yeah.
do a laser.
Yeah. Yeah.
but you have to prevent from sunlight for 7-8
We are
days.
going to give you a sunscreen.
Okay. That's fine.
I think for what we think here is that patient safety first. That's
Yeah,
the first.
That is
So as-
important.
So in your case, we have employed more than 10 specialties of doctors who was closely working. From
Yeah.
cardiologists to neurologists to plastic surgeons to critical care specialists to anesthesiologists to reconstructive surgeons. All of them were working in tandem. And so psychiatrists, endocrinologists, everybody was working in tandem.
Yeah.
But the philosophy is patient safety first and less is more.